today's video is going to be a room tour, yay! And I am really excited because I have never actually decorated my room for Easter that I can remember, and it was just so much fun this year to find all of the colorful pretty spring things in the store. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started, and the first thing that you'll see is this pink rug. This I got from Amazon and it was a really good deal, and originally I had wanted polka dots but I ended up going with this. I'm so glad I did. I really like how it looks in here. You will also notice this pink tree in front of my window, and this is not a Christmas tree. Well, technically it is a Christmas tree, but I decorated it for Easter, so I put some Easter eggs on it and some flowers. I also have this bird nest at the top of it, and don't laugh because I know that the eggs are way oversized compared to the bird, but it gives the idea anyway of a bird's nest. So on the right side there's these tiny pom-pom chicks that I thought were the cutest thing ever with their little hats on. And then behind that I have this tin container with some more eggs that are in it. And then I also just have this rose body mist from Bath & Body Works that I just like the bottle. I think it's so pretty and I like to put it on, of course, so I just keep it in my bedroom. So then I wanted to get some decorations for the cabinets on each side of my room. So this here is a glitter lamp that I found at Five Below, and I love it so much, you guys. It is pink and it has glitter, and I mean, what more could you want in life, right? And then this is one of my favorite things. This is a wicker mama rabbit with her baby rabbit that she's pushing in this wheelbarrow, and it just makes me smile every time I see it. It's so adorable. Next to that is this bunny plate, which I found at Hobby Lobby. It's such a pretty plate. I also got this white plate rack to display it, and this was from Amazon because I couldn't find one at Hobby Lobby for some reason. There's also this ceramic carton, which is supposed to be like a blueberry carton, I think, but I put flowers in it, and this is a pink carton with green flowers, and you'll see on the other side of my room I have a green carton with pink flowers. So then over on this cabinet here, there is an Easter village that is set up with tiny houses. All of this stuff I found at Goodwill. I think it was last year or the year before, and it was like 99 cents each. It was a really good deal, and I love how it turned out. I just added some fake shrubs and some little sprigs of flowers, and I just think it's so cute and colorful. The only thing is that I don't have lights inside of them because I couldn't be bothered with that this year, but maybe I will another year. Above that is this plaque with bunny butts that have little cottontails, and I think it's so cute. I found it at the Dollar Tree. On my door I have a white mirror, and then I have this Easter egg garland that is going around it. Behind my door is a bulletin board which has some hamster photos on it. I still have not updated it with all of my hamster photos, but you can just see that's what that looks like. And then over my door I have a jewelry organizer, and then I also have this adorable pushing calendar which the colors match perfectly for spring, so I wanted to include it in this room tour. So then on the left side of my room you'll see another one of these cabinets that is matching, and this one has some different decorations on it. It has the bunny plate, which is a different bunny plate. These tiny wicker animals are the other favorite thing in my room. There is a pig, a chick, and a lamb, and they all have their little Easter ears on like a bunny. Behind that is this miniature Easter egg tree. Over my window is this hanging tulle banner, which I found at Target around Valentine's Day, and I decided to use it for Easter too because it had the Easter colors. And then above my window there is this wooden shelf. I have this plaque that says Hoppy Easter with all different colored rabbits. I found this at Walmart. And then on each side there's just some sprigs of colorful Easter eggness. I don't know what you call them. On each side of my window I have some wall art that is in a frame, and one of them says He is risen and it's pink, and then the other one says God is love and it is blue. So that is my Easter room tour for this year. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and it's just so pretty to look at. I love coming in here, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful Easter as well and a wonderful spring, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!